Presley and I fought a lot. I don't understand people who don't fight with their friends or the people they claim they love. I don't just understand it. If you say you love somebody, love them fully and be there for them at every hour of their life. Ma Africa, men and women, but if you rata moto, you owe it to yourself to talk to the one that you love and say, please, may we just call it. You have children at home, go home, your family needs you. Ka 7 in the morning, and then you get home at 5 in the morning. That's 22 hours of being on the streets on drinking alcohol. Ase maemo. Re fitlhile mo lefatsheng beala bo le teng. Re fitlhile mo lefatsheng ra bonwa and re tlo bo tloela mo lefatsheng. So if you say to somebody, my friend, be careful and show love, because bojalwa abo hope. Ma Africa, if we speak about love, can we not pretend and act about it? And we must really be about it. Because if Tobeta had friends, Tobeta's friends, Baba Nwan Lebon, you should have told him, go home, you have children. Go home, you have a wife. Cut the BS, Ma Africa, asemaemo, strata asemaemo, and strata asepatid. I love you, my friend. Like, you killed me, doggy. Manufigi, Pandora, Mavalas, Lidibi, Ndona Paula, Ndona Munsiwa. We used to have a joke. Why is the chicken so funny? Because it's not funny, I know. Lerakas fatlo sam. Ma Africa ke la rata ke kopa beyond everything else. Ka botshelo ba ga Tobetsa. Do not live a fake life. We are not fake people. We portray your lives on TV, but be real about it. This is Africa, this is life, and this is love, and show it and be about it.
Thank you. You may take a seat.
Hi, Bazalwa Mzito. Welcome to Mkosi Nomakatsheni. I am Umakatsheni. That is Warren Masemola's speech on the funeral ga Presley Tshweneyagae. Guys, I never do put many things or a lot about imingcwabo nokushona because I'm scared of death. I am really scared of death because I do know ukufa komuntu what it does to a family, la baba sele, whether a kids or whatever, but friends, family, I know good la baba sele what does ukufa iba. So I think I'm really scared ngokufa. I'm scared for talking about ukufa, but I really thought his speech Sarah Warren Masemola is something to talk about because this is truth, guys. If uPresley Tshweneyagae had good friends, ezinye zezinto azenzile mhlambe bongekazenza, because if unomngane fana ukuthi unomngane ofundayo noma ngabe kuse college noma ngabe kusevuniversity noma ngabe sesikolweni, but if unomngane ofundayo and you are drinking alcohol wena ufunda, why ungamtshela hamba endlini? If unomngane oshadile wena ungashadanga ungamtshela hayibo mama hamba pheka unomyeni phela wena ungaphiki nami. So if you have friends abakwenza anenza izinto ezi-wrong nonke or abakwenza izinto ezi-wrong, because mina while I know when you are doing something wrong, deep down you know ukuthi this thing what we are doing is wrong. It's like when udla idakamizwa, uyazi ukuthi le dakamizwa lezi azikho right, but uyazidla, sometimes you don't have control, but you can tell someone who don't do it. So if uPresley bakana bangana bafana noWarren, bonke abangani bakhe bafana noWarren Masemola, mhlambe ngaba kashonanga, mhlambe ngaba zanga trend ngongawodla ingane, mhlambe ngaba zanga trend ukuthiwa nangu kuyowashaya inkosikazi. You understand? Ezinye zezinto ama-career wethu amoshwa abantu esihamba nawo. Ezinye zezinto mina I always say if unomngane, umngane ahlule ukukutshela when you are wrong, or umngane ahlala nesana nama-feelings wakho when you are wrong ahlule ukukutshela kodwa la mngane wrong, akusumngane loyo muntu loyo. Akusumngane loyo muntu loyo. Umngane ohlala nawe ayenza vumelane nawe yenza izinto ezi-wrong wena thinking ukuthi akuthanda, akakuthandi loyo muntu loyo. Akakuthandi loyo muntu loyo. And now I believe ukuthi Warren Masemola yindoda eqotho. Now I think Warren Masemola is someone we need to talk about ku social media nana. And I just pray ukuthi engathi ngabona interview yakhe because he seems like a very wise man. uhlakaniphile Warren Masemula. But bazalwane bami, so please do comment down below your thoughts. That is all for now, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. And it's Handa kuya nokubuya.